What does $249 a month for Google AI Ultra get you? With an introductory $149 a month for 3 months? Most people assume it's just expensive AI chat, but that's only scratching the surface. When you break down everything actually included in this subscription, the value proposition becomes much more interesting than just premium AI. Today I'm walking you through the complete Google AI Ultra package. Not to convince you to buy it, but so you can make an informed decision about whether this bundle of tools and services makes sense for your specific needs and workflow. Let's start with what everyone knows, the AI capabilities. You get Gemini 2.5 Pro with the highest daily usage limits, plus exclusive access to Gemini 2.5 Pro Deep Think, which is their most advanced reasoning model. There's also that massive 1 million token context window that can handle documents up to 1,500 pages. Google also makes their latest AI models, and in some cases their newest tool, available to Ultra subscribers first. But Gemini Ultra isn't just about chat and models. It's when you look at the creative tools where things get interesting. If you do a lot of videos, VO3, Google's latest video model might cost you 40 cents a second, about $12 for a 30-second video. But with Gemini Ultra, using VO3 Fast through Google's Flow application, there's no extra charge. It's included. For comparison, the Google AI Pro plan currently charges 20 credits for VO3 Fast. In addition, you get 25,000 monthly AI credits that can generate about 250 VO3 quality videos or 2,500 VO2 Fast videos. You can mix and match as needed. That's a lot of video production included in the bundle. I've been using VO3 for the last few months, and for the most part, I've switched over completely. And it's not just video. Google's Nano Banana image generation tool has become powerful enough that Adobe is preparing to include it inside Photoshop. If you use Notebook LM, Ultra also expands your limits. 5 times more notebooks, queries, and audio overviews. For research or content planning, that's genuinely useful. Google AI Ultra also includes YouTube Premium, normally $14 a month, and 30 terabytes of Google Drive storage. Normally, $150 a month. That's about $164 in value before even considering the AI tools. If you generate just 10 minutes of video, you're already at the $249 monthly price point. For me, dropping Midjourney and Runway cover the rest of the cost. So Ultra actually saved me money compared to paying for everything separately. Gemini Ultra isn't just an expensive AI subscription, it's a comprehensive productivity and creativity bundle that happens to include some of the most advanced AI capabilities available. That said, if you don't need 30 terabytes of storage or advanced video and image tools, this may not make sense for you. And if you're already on a high-tier plan with another AI provider, Ultra won't be a huge leap. Those advanced features are becoming more similar across platforms. If you're interested in me diving deeper into specific Gemini Ultra features like VO3, video generation, Flow for filmmaking, or any of the other creative tools, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Technology for Life, where we keep it practical and help you understand what these tools actually offer.
I'm about to do something amazing.